Hey, what's up guys? Jose here at shredded-dad.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a DIY version of a glute ham roller. Now, a glute ham roller is simply a piece of metal on 4 wheels, and the whole purpose of that exercise is to hit the hamstrings, your posterior chain, and it mimics a leg curl exercise or a leg curl machine. Now, the only difference with the glute ham roller is that you're using your own gravity as resistance. So I'm going to show you 3 different options that you can make this with stuff that you probably already have laying around the house. So the number 1 option is going to be a skateboard. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, a glute ham roller is basically a piece of metal on 4 wheels, and it's very similar to a skateboard. So you're going to lay this down, you're going to place your feet on here, you're going to squeeze your glutes, raise the hips a little bit, and all you're doing now is a leg curl. Okay, so this is the same thing a glute ham roller is going to be doing, except you're using a skateboard. All right, so that's one option. Now, if you don't have a skateboard, you can also use one of these here. You might have a foam roller laying around the house, so same thing. Place it down, get your heels on the foam roller, squeeze the glutes, raise the hips, and then curl. Just like that. That's option number 2. Now, if you don't have a foam roller, then try a basketball. Okay, so we'll try that here. Same thing as a foam roller. This one's actually a little bit harder because it's going to wobble, so it's going to make you stabilize your core more. So again, raise the hips and then roll the feet. And you can feel that. You can definitely feel that in the hamstrings. Now, those are 3 options. Now, if you want to make this harder, if this is too easy for you with your body weight, then you can do several things. So number 1, I'm going to go back to the skateboard, and I'm going to use a resistance band here. I'm going to anchor it down. I'm just going to wrap it around the rack. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to anchor my feet down to the resistance band. I'm going to get them inside the loop here, and then make sure that this goes in between my feet. Now I'm adding some resistance to the exercise. And again, lift the hips, curl the legs, and this feels a lot harder because of that resistance band. So that's one way to make it harder. Another way to make it harder is by simply going one leg at a time. Okay, so I'm gonna put my foot down here, raise the hips, and curl. Ugh. Woo! I almost felt a cramp on that one. But there you go, that's all you really need. Something that can roll, where you can put your feet down and curl the legs, and that is your DIY glute ham roller. I hope you liked the information in this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below. And what I'll do is I'll leave a link below this video where I made a glute ham raise alternative so that you can hit the aspect of the hamstrings that connects directly to the hip for hip extension. Thanks again for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.